Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bethel Osiki. I'm really excited to have you here with me. This channel is going to be about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, mostly fashion. I'm a fashion design major. I go to the Houston Community College and they have a really decent fashion program there. It's really nice to study fashion. That's basically been my passion all my life. I've always wanted to be a fashion designer and make clothes for myself and for people. So today's video is gonna be a room makeover. As you can see, my room is pretty simple, so I'm just gonna like touch up a little things and add few stuff, like just few decor, and let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna do that on a budget. I already bought stuff from Ross because we had a 40% discount. They do that like every 4 months, I guess. If you work for Ross, you get a 40% discount every 4 months, I think so. Yeah, I think it's 4 months. But anywho, so I got some furniture there. I made a budget of $100. I went a little above the budget because I had to buy stuff from Walmart too. Let me show you what the room looks like. Okay guys, so this is what my room looks like right now. It's regular sized, I guess, but then I need to change my bed covers, and also I don't have pillows. We moved here like 4 months ago, and for some reason all the pillows just went missing, and so we've been using that as pillows. And then this dresser doesn't match with the room. It's brown and so vintage. I actually picked it up from the street, but I'm gonna try and paint it white. And then here's my closet. So these are stuff I've washed like a while ago, but I don't want to put them in the dresser because I know I'm gonna still take out all the clothes, so what's the point? So this is very crowded. You can see we have winter things hanging and also bags and stuff up. It's just so much stuff in the closet, so I'm gonna try and see what I can do to that, and have my shoes right there, right by the bathroom door. I don't like the way it looks really, so I'm gonna try and change that too. And here's the bathroom. It's just a regular bathroom, but then the issue with the bathroom is I don't have place to put stuff, so everything is just like scattered down here. All my makeup, toiletries, everything is just scattered down here. So I'm gonna like put a shelf above that and see how to make it work. So let's see if this works out. So these are the stuffs I got. I got this frame. It just cost $11.99, and with a discount that's, I don't know, I'll just put it somewhere on the screen. So I got this frame. I was hoping to get an Afrocentric painting, but that was all I got. Then I got this shoe rack that goes under the bed, and it just cost $6.99. That's the original price though. And so I was hoping to get a shelf, but I got this instead. It's just like a storage thingy to organize books, clothes. And I got this one for how much? Oh, I actually got this one at Didi's. I forgot to mention, for my discount you can use that at Didi's too, because Ross and Didi's is basically owned by the same person or group of people. But I got this for $8.99 at Didi's. I love mirrors. I got this for just $7.99 at Ross. So I wanted to get like a bench. You know all those benches that you can store stuff in? I was trying to get one for my bed, to foot up my bed, but I couldn't find anyone that was what I wanted it to be. So I just got these ones for just $6.99. I got 2 of these because it looks so small. So you can sit on this and also store stuff in it, because I'm going to store some things, make that closet look less clumsy. So I got 2 of those. This is the second one, different designs. I couldn't find the same thing. I got this clock. I think it's really cute. Just $7.99. Goes in my room too. Then I got this flower. At least there should be something colorful. Then these I got for the bathroom to organize my stuffs in. And these ones cost I want to say $5.99 or $4.99. I don't remember, but I think it was $4.99. Oh yeah, $4.99. Price is right here. Then I got hangers. I couldn't find pant hangers, so I just bought these instead because it's two in one, so why not? I got this for something, let me see. Oh yeah, for $12.99. Then I got this baby. Look, that's what it's supposed to look like. So I have a queen size bed. Actually, I share this room with my cousin. It's not my room, I share a room with my cousin. So we have a queen size bed, and since the colors for the room is supposed to be gray, white, black, and coral, I couldn't find anything coral. My plan was to get a coral, what's the thing called, comforter set. Yes, I was planning to get a coral comforter set, but I couldn't find anything that was calling me, so I just got this one. It's really cute, I like it. So oh yeah, I got these storage boxes. This wasn't what I had in mind for storage boxes. I got the storage boxes for just $4.99, but I'll see how I'm gonna make it work. This wasn't what I had in mind at all, but I'll make it work. So that's, oh, one more thing, I got this to put in the bathroom, and the way it looks in the picture, that's exactly what it's gonna look like. Yep. Then I got pillows too for $14.99. It's the jumbo pillows, standard, blah 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 measurements. But I got pillows. So let's get to work and see what we can do with these. So first I'm gonna start by assembling this stuff. So this is it. So you can decide to just like slide this in your closet or under the bed. It's actually really nice, but I thought it was gonna be more sturdy. Like, see how it's just like moving everywhere. I don't like it. I'm gonna use one of these as storage boxes for some shoes. So this is the chosen one. Just shoes that I'm not gonna wear till winter, or I'm not gonna wear anytime soon. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and clear up the closets. That's a very scary place to go. Oh, I'm gonna use the next one for process because there are too many process here. Yeah, I'm gonna use that one for process. So I'll just do that right now. So I'm gonna use this ones to store the winter clothes. I got two. So what I'm gonna use this for is, I have lots of African fabric. I just keep lots of African fabric because I sell them to my clients when they want to make clothes, or to just people that want to buy. Or I use them for myself, and I have a lot, so I'm just going to keep them in here. So these are outfits already made. I'm just going to put them in there too. And these are for sale. If you want to buy them, just let me know. And also I could custom make them for you. I'm just gonna try and assemble this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Oops. Like this. No, like this. So I managed to clear up the thing. So what I'm gonna do next is take all these out. Take the mirror out too. Okay, take this out first. Okay, so that's done. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna protect the walls and the floor with newspaper. So guys, I protected the walls as well as the floor. I forgot to mention, make sure you have your windows open so that you don't die. And I'm using this spray paint. It's supposed to be primer and paints together. I got it at Walmart for like, let me see, for $3.96 at Walmart. So it's the Rust-Oleum blah, I don't know how to pronounce that. Guys, protect yourself. I had to do this. And then I also brought in the fan. This is hectic, as you can see. I'm getting there. Somehow I'll get there someday. But protect yourselves. Look for like a nose mask. Don't use it so you don't die. Get a fan or something. Just as much air in the room as you can, so that you don't suffocate or inhale too much things. As you can see, I'm done painting the dresser. That was like a whole day, mostly because I wasn't home like half of the day. But now I got to clear this bed. It's just clothes. They're too much. I feel like I'm going to pass out. Okay guys, so it's still a mess. I have to fold these clothes. I'll just, because it's getting so dark and I don't have good lighting when it gets dark, so I'll just continue this video tomorrow. That's like 4 days. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. So it's currently Monday and I still have to work by 1 today, so I'll just try and like hang up a few stuff and set up the shelf for the bathroom. Okay, so I bought these command strips so I could be able to hang up stuff on the wall because I don't want to do the whole nail thingy. So next I'm gonna put these mirrors on the wall. So I'm gonna assemble this thingy for the bathroom. At this point I should have given up. I started this thing since last week Friday. It's this week's Wednesday. I'm so tired, but this ends today. Like, I hope today's gonna be the last day. So actually I ordered some things from Mix Styles, but then there was a mix-up somewhere. It was sent to my old address. So now I'm just so confused. I don't even know if I should drive all the way there to go pick it up or order a new set. I don't know, but there's supposed to be mixed tiles somewhere in this whole video. But for now, I'm just gonna clear everything, clean the room, and we'll see how life happens. Okay, so guys, are you ready to see my room? First of all, I'm so in love with my color theme, gray and white and a little bit of black. So that's what my room looks like now. That's my best corner right there. That's my best part of the room. Look, we got stools there. And then we got the humper there. I know it's awkward, it's gonna be blocking the door, but I never really use that side of the closet really, so it doesn't hurt no one. And there's a dresser I painted, and let's see what the closet turned out to be. Well organized closet with a free space. So the only thing missing in my room now is the mixed tiles I ordered that have not come. And when my mixed tiles come, they'll probably be right there. I hope they come today or tomorrow or someday. But this is what my room looks like. Still simple. This is what the bathroom looks like. Ish, this lighting is terrible in the bathroom. Just bear with me. So I arranged everything that was here. Remember this place was a mess? Well, now it's free. I put a trash can in there because it's too big to fit right there. So I'm gonna get a small trash can. And look, I stored everything right here. Really convenient to just pick up and use. So that's my bathroom now. Thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button and follow me on my social media handles, which is gonna be right here in the screen. Thanks a lot again, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.